What role does platinum, palladium and rhodium play in the catalyst, and what is their function? Now let's talk about the application of metal three-way catalysts. You may have noticed that all vehicles now have the catalyst positioned near the engine. Why is that? It's because all three-way catalysts require heat to ignite. The precious metals platinum, palladium and rhodium inside the catalyst play a specific role. To help you understand, think of them as the ignition spark. When we light a bonfire, the more ignition sparks we have, the faster the pile of wood ignites. It catches fire quickly. However, if we have fewer sparks, it still ignites, but the effect is weaker. Therefore, the quantity of precious metals can be seen as the ignition sparks. The more precious metals, the faster the catalyst functions and the better the performance. If there are fewer precious metals, the reaction will be slower and the efficiency will be lower. So generally speaking, to ensure the effectiveness of a three-way catalyst, a higher quantity of precious metals is required. This is a constant factor. Of course, some techniques claim that using a small amount of catalyst with a high concentration of precious metals can achieve the same effect. However, according to the current emission standards such as China's National Standard 6B, the use of high-dose precious metals is the only solution. What role does platinum, palladium and rhodium play inside the catalyst, and where are they positioned? Their function is to facilitate the catalytic reaction. Ideally, the higher the quantity of these precious metals, the better the catalyst performs. However, increasing the quantity comes with cost implications. Currently, rhodium costs around 3,500 Chinese yuan per gram, palladium nearly 400 Chinese yuan per gram, and platinum over 200 Chinese yuan per gram. The amount of precious metals to be used depends on the desired performance, but it also affects the cost. If the cost is manageable, then using a higher quantity is not a problem. However, if the cost becomes burdensome, reducing the amount of precious metals becomes necessary to meet the budget. But this approach comes with risks.